Hey everyone, so in today's video I will show you how to add music in Canva video presentation. So first, open your Canva presentation. Direct in the left hand panel, you will see an audio option. If you scroll down, and you will see here free and premium tracks. Choose the track you want. As you can see, there are so many options available. So I'm just checking all the audio tracks and I'm taking this one. So you just have to drag it and drop it under your presentation, something like this. So now you just have to adjust it. After that, you just have to preview it, and that's it. Your Canva video presentation now has been background music. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching.